How to create template in Capcut. So if you want to create a template in Capcut, then first you need to open up your Capcut application. Once you open up your Capcut, now you need to go with the templates section, which is here on the bottom. Second option, simply tap on templates, and here you will have all of the templates, right? So you can simply choose any existing template if you want to, or if you want to create a template, then you should be a creator on Capcut. So you can go with me, which is on the bottom right, and here make sure that you have switched to a creator account, because if you've not switched, then you can join the agencies to be a Capcut creator, and once you've been accepted to be a creator on Capcut, then you will be able to create templates. But without that, you will not be able to create your templates. So once you've given the access, you can simply go with the templates where you will have create template option. Simply tap on create template and you'll be able to create your templates using any effects or any filters that you would like to add. So that's how you can create a template in Capcut, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.